Welcome back for another episode of REM Video. My name is Call Ceila Reily, and I'm a certified myomanipulative functional therapist, MFT. MFT literally means making changes in the muscles to achieve proper function of the muscle, tendon, skeletal system. The modalities used include Swedish massage, shiatsu massage, which focuses on the meridians, myofascial release, and gua sha. I also include craniosacral therapy, cold laser therapy, red light therapy, acupressure, laser meridian and acupoint therapy, as well as core muscle stimulation when needed. I approach each dog every session with an open mind and use the modalities that day that I believe are going to help the most in creating biomechanically balanced as well as an emotionally balanced dog, leaving you with a very happy dog. I do work with quite a few working dogs. These particular dogs, the one that just passed in this one and the one coming up, these are all bird dogs. They go out and do a lot of running, stopping, turning. So one of the things that I do start with is I do start with some energy balancing, usually some chakra balancing, and then I move on to the manual manipulation of the muscles. In the working dogs, one of the things that I have noticed is that because most of these dogs do the same activities quite often in a repetitive motion, they do tend to have really similar areas where they get stress points. Stress points are defined as a focus of hyperirritability in a tissue that when compressed is locally tender and if sufficiently hypersensitive gives rise to referred pain and tenderness. In other words, a stress point's believed to be a localized spasm or a knot in the muscle fiber that may cause pain to be referred to other more distant parts of the body. So it's really important for me to work those out, especially in these working dogs, so that they can continue doing their job. This here is Mason. Mason's another working dog. He absolutely loves his massages. He's an older boy, but I do love working with them. Moving on here, we've got Miss Zoe. Miss Zoe's not a working dog, although she might be mad at me for saying that. We do a lot of acupressure to help with her allergies, and as you can see, she thoroughly enjoys the chakra balancing. She does tend to get out of balance quite a bit. She has some anxiety and separation anxiety, so we do work with that quite often. I work with these animals in different time periods. Miss Zoe here gets worked on every 2 weeks. The working dogs get worked on every 3 weeks. In addition to the acupressure, specifically for immune building and blood circulation strengthening, I also do cold laser therapy, as you can see here. I do use a Class B laser. It's considered a low-level light therapy device. The benefits of laser therapy are the interaction between photons and photoreceptor structures within the damaged cells, such as the mitochondria. Some examples of positive effects of laser therapy is that it relieves pain by stimulating the release of beta endorphins, stabilizing nerve cells, relaxing muscle, and increasing the threshold for pain perception. And then, as you can see, I do work on the littler dogs as well. She's got some back and hip issues that is kind of intermittent, as well as some pretty severe allergies. So we vacillate back and forth between just acupressure. Sometimes I add the laser therapy on the acupoint specifically to deal with the allergies and the pain reactions that we get intermittently. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you like my content.